Do you know about 4 new and amazing technologies of the world which are only available in China? Watch this complete video. One cameras has been installed in China, which finds and arrests the culprit anywhere in just 10 minutes. Due to this modern camera, every servant in China thinks 1,000 times before committing any crime. A public transport bus has been introduced in China that runs on cars. The length of this bus is 23 meters. Drains have been made on both sides of the road to support this bus. In addition, 300 passengers can easily travel in this bus. The world's first solar panel road is built in China. This road is about 1 kilometer long. The road has been built with hard work and strength. It will take 1 year to build this road. The purpose of this road was to generate a large amount of electricity. In China, just like roads, solar panels are placed above the water. $165,000 solar panels are placed on the surface of water. It's the cheapest way to generate energy. Currently the most solar panels in the world are in China.